Hey everyone! Here's a 96-hour, slow, cold fermented pizza dough that I recently baked in my Turpone Forza pizza oven. You can watch the recipe video for the pizza dough on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the comments section. This pizza turned out really great. The 4-day cold, slow ferment was just awesome. Hints of sourdough tang were in the dough. A great pizza it was. Check out the dough recipe if you can. Oh, and the dough was made in my new REVO Bake Titan Tilt 7.5 Pro Spiral Dough Mixer. Thanks for watching.